Hey guys, today I wanted to show you this 2-in-1 hairbrush and water tank. So what's special about this hairbrush is the handle comes with like a water bottle, and you can fill it up with water that's up to 50 milligrams. And instead of carrying a hairbrush and then a separate bottle, it just comes in one, which is super handy. This is where the sprayer is, and it's just like a mist. You just click it and it sprays a perfect amount of water. It's not like a jet, it sprays super nicely. The bristles also come with like these things right here, which help for slick backs, and it prevents breakage. This would be super nice just to take if you have like frizzy hair and you want to brush your hair or wet it. I'm going to show you how it works on my mom. So literally all you do is you just spray the hair by clicking, and you just literally brush it, and it reduces all of the frizz. Or like if you're hot or anything and you want to cool down, or maybe you want to touch up your slick back, this would be perfect. This works for wavy hair, which my mom has straight hair, and it also works for curly hair. So it's just super nice to have and portable since it takes up less space. So if you're looking for a hairbrush that can help you for traveling and you want to take out having to carry a whole water bottle, then this would be a super nice thing to try.